Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my Relaxed Hair series. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to maintain a healthy silk press during a stretch featuring Formulate, which I'm so excited to share with y'all. So y'all ready? Let's go ahead and jump into it. Shout out to Formulate. Thank y'all so much for sponsoring today's video. Formulate is customized personal hair care that creates your own personal shampoo and conditioner to fit your hair needs and hair goals. So I'm gonna take y'all along the process with me just so y'all can see just how custom this really is. So you go to formulate.com and you take the assessment. They're gonna ask you some questions. They're gonna ask you about your hair type, how long it is, just all the basic things. They wanna know all about your hair routine, if you have any scalp conditions, scalp problems. They just really get down to the nitty gritty, and that's what truly makes this super custom and personalized just for you and your hair goals. One thing I really think is cool is that you can choose for it to be vegan, silicone-free, gluten-free, nut-free if you have any allergies. You can add a debrassing dye if you have blonde hair. Next, you're gonna dive into your hair goals, which is key to getting your formula tailored to you. Lastly, you're gonna go ahead and pick your fragrance, which smells absolutely amazing. And then voila, honey, you have your own personalized formula. You have your very own chemist and technician, and they literally created a shampoo and conditioner designed for you. And they send you this card and basically just give you a review of everything, all the ingredients. They give you insight on the ingredients, and it's just full of information, really great information to know exactly what you're putting on your hair. So these are how the bottles come. I got the ones with the pumps. So Formula is definitely changing the name of the personalized hair care game, being that all these ingredients in this bottle come directly from the lab, straight from your chemist, straight from your hair goals, straight for your hair type, which is such a difference than buying a general shampoo and conditioner made for millions of people in the store. So go ahead and take your assessment. Link is down below. What? Wait, what happened? Hold up. Yes, honey, a Formulate giveaway. Y'all, if y'all want to win a free set of your own personalized shampoo and conditioner, make sure to check that link down below. Click that link and it'll take you straight to my giveaway. All you do is click it. You can see like my little profile. Click on the giveaway and enter so you can win, okay? All right, let's go back to the video. So now let's go ahead and jump into this silk press, honey. My hair is so dirty. I ain't washed it in like 2 weeks, which is just so ugh for me. So it's time to go ahead and get it together. And I am starting off with my personalized shampoo. Y'all, I love my shampoo. I love the fragrance. I think I picked Shoreline, which was like jasmine and something else. Girl, it smells so good. And y'all, did I tell y'all that Formula has an app? Yes, honey. Download the Formula app. You have to. This is like your dashboard where you can see everything, you see all your ingredients. You can message the Formulate team. You can manage your billing info. You can manage your subscriptions, how often you want your shampoo and conditioner to be sent to you. And the main thing I love about this app, and the main thing I really love about Formulate, is that you can change your hair goals. So you don't get just one batch of shampoo and conditioner and that's just it. Like, that's your formula. It's not changing. You can change it anytime you want to. So you can go in that app, change your hair goals, or even just talk to your chemist and tell them, you know, this is not doing it for me. I would like to add some more of this. Or just tell them about your hair changes if you're going through hair changes, and they will concoct, okay, another formula. And the more and more you tweak your formula, it will become like just spot on perfect for you. So that's something so dope about Formulate. Your shampoo and conditioner literally changes with you, and it's everything that you want, not just a general product that's gonna be the same forever. It's your product, it's your formula, and you can change it. So my personal goals for this batch was to add more moisture into my hair, especially dealing with dry scalp. So y'all, this formula is so great for me because it adds all that moisture in my hair. Like right after my shampoo, my hair is just so moisturized, as you can see, honey. It just be so moisturized, especially during my stretches, because I'm dealing with 2 different textures of hair because I need a touch up, okay? So it really helps to add moisture into my natural roots and that relaxed hair. My conditioner, oh my goodness, I love my conditioner. It also smells good. I was a little iffy about my conditioner at first because I like a really, really heavy coating conditioner, but this conditioner just sunk into my hair. Like when it's all on there, it's like invisible because all of that moisture literally is sinking into my hair, and I didn't really understand that at first because I like to see it, you know what I'm saying? But This conditioner is so amazing for me. That moisture that I expressed to my chemist is just like spot on. My hair is super soft and moisturized after I'm done with my shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm ready to go ahead, blow dry it out, style it. Okay, get cute. Formulate, this is my jam. I love my personalized shampoo and conditioner. My hair just be feeling amazing. My hair is smelling good, all of that. Look at that moisture though, like moisture me down. I am still in the middle of my stretch. I want to say it's been, it gotta be like 4 months now. So I definitely deal with tangles, but my customized shampoo and conditioner definitely helps me with that, because my goal for this batch was to just add more moisture into my hair, especially because I deal with dry scalp. So that moisture definitely helps me with stretching, being relaxed. It helps to like combat those, you know, 2 different textures. So since using Formulate, my scalp has been super hydrated. Like I said, that was one of my goals for my personalized shampoo and conditioner, was to give me lots of moisture and help out with my dry scalp. So when you take your assessment, you're gonna let your team know about your hair goals, your hair problems, and bam, they create the magic potion for you. It's just so amazing to have something like just for your hair, like just for your hair goals. It's not like a general shampoo or conditioner for everybody. It's literally just for you. I feel like this really changes the game when it comes to shampoo and conditioners, because you really just, I mean, it's yours, like. So yeah, I am about to go ahead and get into my silk press, showing y'all how I get my hair sleek and everything, even while I'm stretching. And here I just wanted to go into detail about my stretching blow dry method. So what I do when I'm stretching is I detangle very gently, just like at my ends. I hardly even touch that new growth. What I do is smooth my hair with my hands to get that new growth stretched out, and then I'll blow dry those roots while I'm pulling and stretching on my hair, so I don't have to like blow dry them roots with a whole lot of manipulation. Because let me tell you something, girl, all that detangling, especially while your hair is wet, our hair is weakest when wet, so all that detangling and trying to comb through, you know what I'm saying, those 2 different textures, trying to comb through the new growth, will leave you with breakage, splittage, just shedding, crazy shedding. You just do not need that in your life. Okay, so what you want to do is like stretch it. I mean, it's a lot of different ways to stretch your hair. You can, you know, put it into sections and braid it and just let it air dry. You could twist it, you know, a lot of different things you could do to stretch your roots, but this is just the quickest way. I don't really air dry. I like to just get my hair dry and, you know, go ahead and do my style. So this is how you stretch while blow drying to avoid all that tangling, all that breakage, all that shedding. So I like to detangle my new growth after I have dried it a little bit, because while it's wet, like I said, it's the weakest when it's wet, and that makes more of a mess, that pulls more of my hair out. So I just like to detangle as I'm blow drying, as it's getting drier, and then once I feel like it's good enough for me to, you know, kind of go through, I'll take my blow drying comb, starting from the ends, going up and getting all that hair straightened out, blown out together. Dealing with 2 different textures is hard. That's why stretching season, honey, it'd be a little bit of a struggle, but you just really got to take your time and, you know, treat your hair with some TLC. Don't pull on it, don't rush it, take it slow, be gentle, and yeah, you get a perfect blow dry without all of the craziness. So this is the next major key in your silk press while stretching. You want to break out that pressing comb. I use my electric pressing comb, which works just the same as a, you know, hot stove one. So I just go throughout my whole entire head. I press out my edges, and then I just start to like part my hair. Look at that, girl. Yes, I just start to like part my hair and, you know, get the pressing. I just part it randomly. I don't really do small sections, but you know, just make big sections, parts, press. Get that new growth sleek and popping, okay? Yes, ma'am. So yes, that's what she's giving after the press. Nice and sleek. That new growth is nice and laid down and ready to be flat ironed. So I'm going in with my nano titanium plates by Babyliss Pro, and I start using my heat on 375. Let me tell y'all why, because it's a couple things. One, I noticed that me being relaxed, I did not need my flat irons on 450. Like, I was just burning my hair. Honestly, I do have some like heat damage. Even though you can't tell, I got heat damage because my hair is already straight. But I definitely noticed that my hair was becoming heat damaged because it would just smell burnt like when I flat ironed it, and that's obviously a sign like you're burning your hair. So, and I could see like frayed in. 450 was just way too hot for my relaxed hair. So I started using my flat irons on 375, and let me tell y'all, I can still smell my shampoo and conditioner, and that is how it's supposed to be. Your hair should not be smelling burnt after you flat iron it. It should still be smelling good as the products that you just used. And y'all, I can still smell my shoreline, okay? I sure can still smell my fragrance all throughout the week when I flat iron on 375 because it's keeping my hair healthy. It's not burning my hair. So that's reason number one, I started flat ironing on low heat. Number two, I honestly just like the look, okay? It gives me like a yucky straight look rather than like a super sleek, like almost greasy type of look. So I love flat ironing on 375. I would never go back up to 410 or 450. I just would never go back. Okay, that was good for when I was natural, but now me being relaxed, I definitely realized I needed to tone it down. And like I said, girl, that yucky appearance, she's popping. Okay, I love a sleek look, but I love that texture that's still like in the hair. So I'm all here for it. That's the look, girl. She's popping. She's a little yucky straight. Okay, popping, poo. So that's it. That is the look. I just love the progress my hair is making with my own custom shampoo and conditioner. Shout out once again to Formulate. Make sure to check the description box to see all the information and to get your hands on your own personalized shampoo and conditioner. But yes, girl, yes, that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed, okay? And I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.